Do a quick little video, show you my mobile rig I got from Radio Made Easy. I'll do a more thorough look at it when I have someone helping me with the camera, but this bag is made by Combat Art Training. It's exclusively sold through Radio Made Easy. Microphone pouch here on the side. It's got a front zipper here, and here I've got a antenna signal stick. In this pocket I've got a J-pole, the batteries in there, a DC charger, as well as a mag mount for the using it in the car, and some paracord to kick it up in the tree. Sorry about the angle, guys. I just wanted you to see how cool this was so you can get yours from Radio Made Easy. It's got this protective flap here that peels down where you can access the radio. And so it's got a Velcro panel where this is in secure, where you can turn it on. It's running off a battery. Little LiFePo 4. The pass-throughs come through the side here. You see the mic here, and then as well as the antenna plug. So pretty cool. Go check out RadioMadeEasy.com. They've got anywhere from handhelds to mobiles to HF setups. They're doing an HF setup for me now, and go check them out, man. What are you gonna do when the cell phones aren't working? We definitely need a plan. All right, take care, guys.